Hey dog lovers, welcome back to our channel, the one and only Leo. First off, I would like to apologize for the lack of me posting videos. The reason why is since I already told you in our last video that I'm a freshman in high school. For the last 2 weeks, I had to finish up my work and I was really loaded and stressed. My quarter grades were going to end, so I had to finish those up. Anyways, I'm back with a new video on our cute lovable dog, Leo. Hope you enjoy! In this video, I'm going to show you Leo's reaction on a Roomba. If you have a dog, you must know how much dogs shed. And if you're planning on getting a dog, get ready because they're going to shed a lot. Initially, before Leo came, we usually had to vacuum our house only once or twice a week. But now since Leo has come, we have to vacuum at least every 2 to 3 days. And you know how much work that is, especially when all 4 of us are really busy. We got a Roomba recently, and until now, our feedback would be really good. It not only cleans your dog's hair, it also cleans your whole house. So, isn't that a big time saver? So guys, get ready to laugh because Leo has lots of funny reactions. Okay Leo, we're now gonna be cleaning the house with our Roomba. Do you wanna see it? Okay Leo, let's go. Leo, what's this? What's happening, buddy? What is this? Why are you trying to bite on this? Leo, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? What are you doing? Why are you trying to bite? You know this is a machine, right? Why are you trying to bite? Leo. So guys, get ready to be amazed by how much debris and dirt this Roomba collected. Let's check it out. As you can see, all of this is Leo's shed. Hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, the one and only Leo. Bye!